Okay, so today's video is all about fixing this window. So as you can see, it doesn't close all the way up. That's as high as I can get it to go. So there's some controls that we can do on the inside that will allow us to reset that window, make sure it goes to the top every time. See, when we open the door, the window doesn't drop at all, which it should do, so we need to reset it all just to make sure that it drops. So, you can come inside, close the door, then we take our key and put it in the ignition, and then press the button once. Then what we need to do is just tap the window down so it closes. Then all we do is hold that button till it goes all the way up, hold it for 10 seconds at least. Right, and then let go. And if we look at the window, it has gone all the way to the top. And when we open the door now, it should automatically drop. Yep. Let's get out and take a look. You can see there, it automatically drops and rises. We open that, so that's now reset. Let's do the other side, just to make sure. So again, tap, and the window will drop all the way down, so it's all the way open. And then all we do is hold that up, and keep holding up. And you can see now that window's reset as well. It's a nice, simple, easy fix, and hopefully that resolves any issues you have with your windows not going all the way to the top and opening and closing. So they should automatically drop when you open and close that door. If that doesn't happen, follow these instructions and that should resolve it for you.